Hi everybody, it's Ben Amrat here, founder of Wincc Flexible Mastery. This is an overview for Module 7, User Management from Wincc Flexible Mastery online course. In this module, you're going to learn about how to create group authorization, how to create groups, how to create users, how to manage users online, how to add protection for your objects on the screen, and at the end, how to create a login and logout password. So first you start with group authorization. Here we have administration, monitor, operate, programming, and service. These are the group authorization. These are the groups that you have in general. Then you're going to start with creating the groups and assign group authorization to each group. Like we have programmers under the groups. Now the programmer can only do the monitoring, can do operate, and can do programming. It will be different for users, that will be different for administrators. So after you set up the group authorizations and groups, it's time to go with the users. So when you get to the users, as you can see, you have user groups on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you start creating users. The users can be general. It can be like operator. It can be like prog for programmer or admin for administrator. And you can even add names for each one of your users, like you can have a Scott and Eric. Now you're going to assign each one of users to one of the user groups. So let's say Eric is just a user, or Scott can be a service technician, or Scott can be a programmer and administrators. After creating your users, we start working on assigning the user protection to the objects. Like I have a button here called exit button. This exit button is going to stop the runtime for my device panel. Now I don't want the operator to hit exit button. I just want the admin or maybe the programmer or service technicians be able to use the exit. So I assign the user protection to this one. If they click on the exit, they have to punch in the user and the password. If they make a mistake, they can't go anywhere, they can exit. Now we start with user view screen. User view screen helps you to manage your users online. Here I log in as an admin for this user view screen. Now I am able to see all my users over here with their password, with their group authorization, and with their log of time. The last part that we're going to talk in this module is how to create a login and log out screen. We're going to create a user password. So when you start the device panel, it goes directly to this screen as user and password. And if the user, whoever the user is, the operator, the programmer, or service technician, they should know their username and the password. If they don't punch in the right username and password, they won't be able to reach any one of the screen on this device panel. And after they are done, you can ask them to hit the logout. It's going to jump back to this screen for the next user when it's coming in, and to hit this. Like you are a programmer, you go in, you punch your username and password, and you will have access as a programmer to all the buttons. When you're done with the changes or setting the parameters, you hit the logout, and then you pass the device panel to operator, and operator is going to punch in the username and the correct password. That was an overview for Module 7 from Wincc Flexible Mastery online course.